Top 5 Best Spice You should try to flush out toxins and repair kidney. Have you ever wondered why you still feel tired, bloated, or uncomfortable even though you drink water all day? A lot of people assume they're staying healthy, but sometimes the real issue is that the kidneys are under stress and struggling to keep up with the body's daily toxin load. And the scary part is most people don't notice it until bigger problems start showing up. Here's something many people completely overlook. Water alone is not always enough to support healthy kidneys. What you eat every day matters too, especially the spices you add to your meals. Some spices contain natural compounds that may help the body flush out waste, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support the kidneys in a gentle, natural way. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 5 best spices that may help support kidney health and help your body detox more efficiently. The best part? These are simple, everyday spices that people around the world already use without realizing how powerful they can be. I'll explain why each spice matters, how it may help your kidneys, and easy ways people use it in daily meals. And one spice on this list is seriously underrated, but it could make a real difference if your kidneys feel stressed or overloaded. But before we begin, drop your name and the city you're watching from in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Cinnamon. When most people think about cinnamon, they think about desserts, coffee, or holiday drinks. But cinnamon is much more than a spice that smells good. It can actually be a gentle helper for your kidneys, quietly supporting your body day after day. One of the biggest challenges for kidney health is inflammation and toxin buildup. When the kidneys become stressed, they have a harder time filtering waste and keeping the body balanced. Cinnamon contains natural plant compounds that may help improve circulation and reduce inflammation throughout the body. And when inflammation is lower, the kidneys don't have to work as hard. That gives them a better environment to recover and function more smoothly over time. Another reason cinnamon gets so much attention is its connection to blood sugar control. High blood sugar is one of the biggest causes of long-term kidney damage, especially in people with diabetes or prediabetes. Studies have shown that cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity and support more stable blood sugar levels. When blood sugar stays under better control, it helps protect the tiny blood vessels inside the kidneys from gradual damage. But one of the most practical benefits of cinnamon is something simple: flavor. A lot of people trying to eat in a kidney-friendly way are told to cut back on salt and sugar, which can make meals feel bland and repetitive. Cinnamon adds natural sweetness and warmth without adding sodium or refined sugar. That makes healthy food feel much more enjoyable without putting extra stress on the kidneys. So, how can you actually use cinnamon in daily life? It's easy. You can add a small sprinkle to herbal tea, warm water, oatmeal, plain yogurt, or fruit in the morning. Some people even add a pinch to rice dishes, soups, or cooked vegetables for extra flavor. You don't need large amounts either. A little goes a long way. Cinnamon also works well alongside other healthy habits. Drinking enough water, eating more fresh foods, and reducing processed foods can all help support your kidneys even more. Some people also enjoy combining cinnamon with spices like ginger or turmeric, which may provide additional anti-inflammatory support. The important thing to remember is this: cinnamon is not a miracle cure. But when used consistently as part of a healthy routine, it can be a simple, natural way to help support kidney health and reduce stress on the body over time. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is one of those spices almost everyone recognizes, but very few people realize how powerful it may be for kidney health. Most people only think of turmeric as something that adds color to curry or rice dishes. But inside that bright yellow spice is a natural compound that has been studied for years for its potential health benefits. That compound is called curcumin. Curcumin is known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and that matters because inflammation is one of the biggest hidden problems behind kidney stress. When inflammation stays high for a long time, it can slowly damage kidney tissue and make it harder for the kidneys to filter waste properly. Turmeric may help calm some of that inflammation, giving the kidneys a healthier environment to function and recover over time. Another reason turmeric stands out is its role in supporting the body's natural detox process. Your kidneys and liver work together every day to remove waste, toxins, and unwanted substances from the body. Research suggests that curcumin may help protect cells from oxidative stress, which is basically the damage caused by toxins, poor diet, stress, and inflammation. When there's less oxidative stress, the kidneys may be able to work more efficiently and with less strain. Turmeric is also very practical for kidney-friendly eating because it adds rich flavor without relying on salt. Many people with kidney problems are told to reduce sodium, and that can make meals feel bland and repetitive. Turmeric adds warmth, depth, and color naturally, making healthy food more enjoyable and easier to stick with long term. So how can you actually use turmeric in daily life? One of the easiest ways is to add a small amount to soups, rice, stews, or cooked vegetables. Some people mix turmeric into warm water or herbal tea for a simple drink. You can even combine it with ginger or cinnamon in cooking for extra flavor and added anti-inflammatory support. There's one small trick that makes turmeric even more effective: black pepper. Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, which may help the body absorb curcumin much more efficiently. That's why many people pair turmeric with a pinch of black pepper when cooking or making turmeric drinks. Of course, turmeric works best alongside healthy habits. Drinking enough water, eating more fresh foods, staying active, and reducing processed foods all help support your kidneys and overall health. And just like most natural foods and spices, consistency matters more than huge amounts. Turmeric is not a miracle cure or overnight fix. But when used regularly in small amounts, it can quietly support your body, reduce inflammation, and help protect your kidneys from long-term stress over time. Number 3. Black pepper. Black pepper seems simple, almost too ordinary to matter. It sits on kitchen tables everywhere, and most people use it without ever thinking about its health benefits. But when it comes to kidney health, black pepper can actually play a much bigger role than people realize. One of the hardest parts of a kidney-friendly diet is cutting back on salt. Too much sodium puts extra stress on the kidneys, increases blood pressure, and can lead to swelling and fluid buildup. The problem is, once people reduce salt, food often starts tasting bland and boring. That's where black pepper becomes incredibly helpful. Even a small sprinkle of black pepper adds warmth, depth, and flavor without adding sodium or extra mineral stress. It helps make healthy meals taste satisfying again, which is important because the easier a diet feels, the more likely you are to stick with it long term. But black pepper does more than improve flavor. Its main active compound, called piperine, has been studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. And that matters because chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are two major reasons kidney tissue slowly becomes damaged over time. By helping reduce some of that stress, black pepper may support the body's natural ability to protect kidney function. Another interesting benefit is how black pepper helps the body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Piperine is especially known for improving the absorption of beneficial compounds found in turmeric. That's why black pepper and turmeric are often used together. When combined, they may provide stronger anti-inflammatory support than either spice alone. So how can you actually use black pepper every day? The good news is you don't need much. A light sprinkle on vegetables, eggs, soups, rice, chicken, or fish is usually enough. Freshly ground black pepper is often the best choice because it keeps more of its natural oils and flavor. Adding it near the end of cooking also helps preserve its taste without becoming bitter. Black pepper also pairs well with other kidney-friendly spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Together, these spices can add flavor while supporting circulation, digestion, and the body's natural detox pathways. And for many people, using flavorful spices makes it much easier to maintain a lower sodium diet, which is one of the most important things for protecting kidney health over time. The biggest takeaway is this: black pepper may look basic, but sometimes simple habits make the biggest difference. When healthy food tastes good, staying consistent becomes easier. And consistency is what truly helps support your kidneys day after day. And if this video has been helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Also, let me know in the comments, have you tried any of these spices before? Type 1 if you have, or 0 if you haven't yet. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger is one of those spices you notice immediately. It has that warm, slightly spicy kick that instantly wakes up your taste buds and makes food feel fresh and comforting at the same time. But ginger is much more than just a flavorful ingredient. For centuries, people around the world have used it to support digestion, circulation, and the body's natural detox process. And when it comes to kidney health, those benefits can make a real difference. One of the biggest reasons ginger stands out is its natural anti-inflammatory power. A lot of kidney stress starts with chronic inflammation inside the body. When inflammation stays high for too long, your kidneys have to work overtime to filter waste and keep everything balanced. Ginger contains active compounds like gingerol, which have been studied for their ability to help calm inflammation and reduce oxidative stress. When the body is under less stress internally, your kidneys can focus more on filtering toxins instead of constantly fighting damage. Ginger is also known for supporting healthy circulation. Better blood flow means your kidneys receive more oxygen and nutrients, which helps kidney tissues stay healthy and function more efficiently over time. Some studies even suggest that ginger may help protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, one of the hidden factors linked to long-term kidney decline. Another reason ginger is so helpful is its effect on digestion and fluid balance. When digestion works smoothly, fewer waste products and toxins build up inside the body. That takes some pressure off the kidneys. Ginger may also support gentle sweating and healthy urination, which are natural ways your body removes waste. This is part of why ginger is often seen as a gentle, natural support for detox and overall wellness. And from a cooking perspective, ginger is perfect for kidney-friendly meals because it adds bold flavor without needing extra salt. Many people struggle with low-sodium diets because food starts tasting bland. Ginger fixes that fast. A small amount can completely change the flavor of soups, vegetables, rice, fish, or chicken without putting extra stress on your kidneys. Using ginger is simple, too. Fresh ginger can be sliced, grated, or added to warm dishes and teas. Ginger tea made with a few thin slices in hot water is one of the easiest ways to enjoy it daily. Dried ginger powder also works well in cooking. The secret is consistency. Small amounts used regularly are much more helpful than large amounts once in a while. Ginger also pairs perfectly with turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric helps calm inflammation, black pepper improves absorption, and ginger supports circulation and digestion. Together, they create a simple but powerful combination that supports detox and helps your kidneys work more smoothly over time. At the end of the day, ginger is more than just a spice. It helps reduce inflammation, supports healthy blood flow, improves digestion, and makes kidney-friendly eating easier to enjoy. And sometimes, those small daily habits are exactly what your kidneys need most. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most trusted ingredients for healthy eating, especially when it comes to protecting your kidneys. It has a rich, savory flavor that instantly makes food taste more satisfying, even without extra salt. And for people trying to follow a kidney-friendly diet, that is a huge advantage. Many kidney problems are made worse by too much sodium, so having a natural ingredient that boosts flavor without stressing the kidneys is incredibly helpful. One of the biggest threats to kidney health is high blood pressure. Your kidneys are filled with tiny blood vessels that constantly filter waste and extra fluid from your blood. Over time, high blood pressure can damage those vessels and make it harder for your kidneys to work properly. Garlic has been studied for its ability to help support healthy blood pressure levels by improving circulation and helping blood vessels relax naturally. Better blood flow means less pressure on the kidneys and better long-term kidney function. Garlic also contains natural sulfur compounds like allicin, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds help protect kidney cells from damage caused by toxins and oxidative stress. When inflammation is lower, your kidneys can spend more energy filtering waste and less energy dealing with constant stress inside the body. Another reason garlic stands out is its role in supporting the body's natural detox process. Garlic helps activate enzymes in the liver that assist with removing toxins. Since the liver and kidneys work closely together, this can reduce the overall burden placed on your kidneys over time. Using garlic daily is simple. Fresh garlic can be chopped or crushed into soups, vegetables, rice, fish, or lean meats. Garlic powder also works well, as long as it does not contain added salt. Even a small amount can completely change the flavor of a meal. Garlic also pairs perfectly with other kidney-friendly spices like ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. Together, they create flavorful meals that support circulation, reduce inflammation, and make healthy eating much easier to stick with. At the end of the day, garlic is much more than a cooking ingredient. It quietly supports blood pressure, detox, and kidney health in a simple and natural way that can make a real difference over time. When you step back and look at this list, one thing becomes very clear. You do not need rare supplements, expensive detox products, or complicated diets to support your kidneys. Cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper, ginger, and garlic are all simple, everyday spices that many people already have sitting in their kitchen right now. But when you use them the right way, they can quietly support your kidneys in powerful ways. Each spice helps your body a little differently. Some help calm inflammation. Some support healthy blood flow and blood pressure. Others help your body handle toxins more efficiently and make digestion smoother. And when these spices work together, they make kidney-friendly eating feel much easier and more enjoyable. The real secret is consistency. It is not about using a huge amount once in a while. The real benefit comes from using small amounts regularly, day after day. Over time, these simple habits can help reduce stress on your kidneys and support your body's natural repair process. Another big advantage is flavor. When meals taste good naturally, you rely less on extra salt, sugar, and processed sauces that can overload the kidneys. That alone can make a huge difference over the long term. So if you truly want to support your kidneys, start simple. Use the ingredients already in your kitchen. Build balanced meals, stay consistent, and give your body the support it needs to do what it was designed to do.